Hello, you know what time it is. It's time for these meal preps again. Hey, good news. Her phosphate, I got a good report on that. So I'm doing a great job. And so I went to the grocery store and I was just looking at stuff to make sure. I was trying to get away with actually doing all this meal prepping in an easy way. Then I had to read the back of the ingredients. So here are some things that you cannot use that got phosphate in it. So this healthy thing that says good balance and everything on that chicken salad, I thought I could get away with that. I'm gonna do that. But on the back, it has that phosphate on it. That is a no-no, okay? And then I said, well, I'll get some soup, you know, because I had some soup and I went to the soup. Okay, can't do this soup either because it's got phosphate on it too. Then I said, well, tired of chicken, let's give it some beef stew. Went to this one. This has it in it too. So I can't do that. So now I have to make everything from scratch. So she wants this macaroni and cheese. I'm like, okay, I'll make you mac and cheese. So this is great, but do not use a pack that's inside there because that phosphate. You got to make everything from scratch, and that's fine. I mean, it's okay. And so now I went and got some roast beef. Since I couldn't do the other beef, I had to make my own. So roast beef, and they come in individual package, and it comes like this. So now I chop it up because I want to have some roast beef and some vegetables. I'm gonna chop it up in here, and then I'm gonna take the vegetables and put it in here just like that. These are vegetables. And now we have just what they have, a beef stew. How about that? But I had to make it from scratch. But thanks to Swan Truck, I don't have to do a whole lot of work. I did enough, but look at that. Great job, great job. That works. She's gonna love that. So then, of course, I made the Cobb Salad fish again because she wanted that again. And so that was the hit. So I chopped it up. I'm gonna make it with the rice and of course the Uncle Ben's rice. So then she wants some little snacks in between. You give her every 2 hours some snacks in between because when someone stays at home all the time and don't get out, they want to eat. Everybody talking about lock stuff up. I can't lock things up. So I'm giving every 2 hours she can have this. So we got this pizza and it didn't have phosphate in it. And you have to get that from the Swan Truck too. And so she can have snacks in between every 2 hours, small portions. So good. And then I found this that's healthy, lemon peppers, okay? And it is lemon pepper tuna, okay? It doesn't have phosphate on it. You gotta get it from the bumblebee. Make sure you get it from the bumblebee. So that's gonna be a good. And so then we have the chicken that I made last week. And of course I chopped it up and put some, so then I can put that on top of salad, on top of potato. Great job. So now, snacks. What can she eat as snacks? Oh my goodness. So, I'm like, ooh, I know this got a little sugar in and stuff. When she was in hospital last time, they was giving her sugar, okay, in the IV. So we can give her some sugar. But this one didn't have phosphate in it, so that's gonna be a winner. One pack of that. And then she can eat one of these. Yay. So that's gonna be kind of it. And I was thinking that she could eat this Cheerio stuff, but no, phosphate, no. So that's gonna be the meal. And then we're gonna eat some turkey sandwiches with croissants, because that's also good.